My Butag basketball fans, and we're live here at the Almendras Gym, the Davao City Recreational Center. Welcome sa ating yearly AFT PNP Invitational Basketball Cup 2026 in partnership of the City Mayor's Office of City Government of Davao City, Basta Davaoenyo Disciplinado. And this thing is not possible because of our not other than our commissioner, Mr. John Paul Escobar. Yan. So here's our first game for today. Is between the LSU CIDG versus the BGMP Greyhounds. And this our Maganao Leonor.
Wearing jersey number 9, Jay Godina. Wearing jersey number 15, John Saliva. Wearing jersey number 21, Eric Tapia. Wearing jersey number 7, Clifford Chabot. And wearing jersey number 0, Rob Palomones. And those of your national sport unit 11 those Chino boys here. And now the starters of the European management and the OG Lone Greyhounds. Wearing jersey number 45, Irving Stan. Wearing jersey number 17, Irving Buana. Wearing jersey number 14, Kurt Waldo. Wearing jersey number 9, Hernan Pasani. And wearing jersey number 24, John Abdai. And those of you BJMP 11 Greyhounds coach Ariel Pontinon, assistant coach Alain Pontinon. Our official calling for this ball game are from SC Dalma, with their Rudy Bernie Nayan and Danny Ape and Alex Tirano. Before we see your first game of our opening day, we would like to request our commissioner, Mr. John Paul Escobar, together with our third manager, Mr. Michael Vincent G. Join us in the audio call. Once again, a round of applause for you officials, for tournament directors, and for tournament commissioner. This is the International 2026. Let's play ball!
Start now for our first quarter, for our first game for our AFT PNP Invitational Basketball 2026. And this game is the National Support Unit CIDG, wearing the black jerseys, and the runner-up for last year's AFT PNP Invitational Cup Basketball League, BGMP Greyhounds, wearing the black. So seeing familiar first 5 here for the BGMP, we have Sir Isden, Mumatay, Largo, Arnaiz, and kung si Fernan Masinaling, the main man ng BGMP, the biggest guy on the floor. Tapia for three! LSU CIDG draws first blood. 3-pointer by Mr. Tapia, and Largo, no good. Rebound by Mr. Rob Palomares. Ganito kay Colina. Colina dire-diretso. And it's a foul. And Mr. Mumata is called for a blocking foul. And Colina will shoot 2 free throws. Mga nanonood po sa ating Facebook page, please like and share po sa ating Mariao Sports Davao. Yan. So maraming salamat po sa mga bumubuo ng ating liga. No other than our commissioner, Mr. John Paul Escobar, at si ating tournament manager, ito si Mr. Vicky Dihita. Yan. And syempre ang ating mayor, si Bastian Duterte, one of our partners here, Without this support of our city government of Davao, city mayor's office, this league is not possible. Like a steam ball game. What a pass! There from Arnaiz to Largo, but can't make the basket. But there's a foul on the NSU. That is 2 free throws on Mr. Largo. Palomares is called for a foul. Sa mga bago po nung sa ating liga, kung hindi po tayo nakasabay last year, Rob Palomares po, isa po sa one of the deadliest mid-range jump shooter ng ating liga. He can defend, he can shoot, and he can rebound po si Rob Palomares. Pero nakuha sa foul doon. And ito, trap defense agad dito ang BJMP. Tumba doon si Bumatay. And a steal here by Largo. Arnaiz. Ganito kay Mr. Esden. Then, kick out pass. Bumatay for 3. No good. And ito na, pwede masinading. Masyadong matangkat dito for kay Mr. Palomares. And that's his second personal foul on Rob Palomares. Naku, medyo problema na kagad po for the NSCIDG. So early fouls here for Rob Palomares. Largo, Bumatay. Pick up to Esden for 3. Short. Greyhounds still has the basketball. Bumatay, still nothing for the Greyhounds. And finally, Arnaiz tips it in. So score is 3-4. Lamang dito ang NSU nag-isang single point. And almost still here by Renan Masinadin. With 8 minutes and 19 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. And there's an early timeout spot here for the NSU CIDG. Yung pang-kicks around and magbabalik tayo after a short break. Sa ating ball game. Tapos the ball. Ganito kay Salibay. Challenging the defense of Masinaring and he scores! That's early points here for NSU. And another sloppy pass here for the Greyhounds. Medyo out of rhythm dito ang BGMP, which is usually silang lamang dito. Last year, sila po ang isa sa top teams ng ating liga. Colina jumper, pasok yan by Mr. Colina. Greyhounds needs to settle down here. They need to make a basket here. It's then kicking Bumatay. Dito kay Largo drives. Kick out pass. Bumatay inside pass to Arnaiz. Fakes. Drives. Arnaiz. Reverse tee up. No good. Largo. Inside pass to Arnaiz. Extra pass to Pasinaring for 2. Ganda ng pasahan dito ng Greyhounds and finally they were able to make a basket. So it's the ball here. Still LSU has the ball and blocked again by Masinaring. It's been a great break wall in this tournament. Ito si Renan Masinaring. Tapia. Bruno. Jumper here. No good. Loose ball. Tapia has the ball. Shoots for 3. Nothing there. Arnaiz with the ball. And dito na, umuna din si Bumatay. Touchdown! Great pass there by Masinaring to Bumatay. And another almost forced turnover here for the Greyhounds. So si Bruno pumasok dito para palitan dito si Palomares. Two early fouls for Rob Palomares. This moment for the NSU CIDG. Substitutions we made here for the CIDG. The receiver dito ng another point guard. Molina. Great pass to Bruno! And he scores! Great pass there by Colina to Bruno. Largo. For DJMP. Ganito kay Bumatay. Setting up deep the offense here for the Greyhounds. Bumatay for 3. Finally! A 3-pointer for Bumatay! And tabla tayo at 10 all. Ito na, ipaparamdam na dito ang Greyhounds. They are the runner-up in the last year's edition of this tournament. Kalaban nila ang two-time champions, ang Bureau of Fire Protection Region 11. Ito na, Largo, dire-diretso, Largo, challenging the defense of Colina. Nothing there. The ball stays with DJMP Greyhounds. 15 seconds remaining in the shot clock. Bumatay will inbound the ball. Wala pa rin substitution ginagawa dito ng Greyhounds. Ito na. Largo papalitan muna dito. Along with the NSU, changing players here. So great first quarter for both teams. Medyo nag-struggle dito ang Greyhounds sa kanilang field goal percentage. Marami silang magandang pasa but just can't hit the basket. And any baskets naman for the NSU, but the defense of the Greyhounds dito kumakagat na, especially the two blocks of Masinani and the trap defense of the Greyhounds. Kaya nakatabla sila dito at 10 apiece. Arnaiz, another pass again to Esden for 3. Ito naman for Mr. Esden. Bruno. Great pass. Another forward pass to Tarat, and that's good! Parang nag 3-man wave lang sa practice itong NSU CIDG. What a pass! Lamang dito ang CIDG. Bumatay. It's dead. 3-pointer. Short again for the Greyhounds. And wala pupunta sa NSU CIDG. So shoutout pa sa mga nanonood sa ating Facebook page sa Madiao Sports Davao. Please like and share po mga kaibigan para mas marami pang makapanood. Tarat against Masinani, and he's back again. What a monster block by Fernan Masinani. Wow! Hinintay talaga ni Mr. Masinani. Bruno, block again ni Masinati. He's small block in this ball game. Diretso, and a miss. Arnaiz, there's a foul.
Ball jersey number 9, Jay Colina. His first personal foul. 13 foul for Hennessy. Lupinos for Arnaiz.
Nice, missed the free throw. Over 2 for Mr. Arnaiz. They're down here by 2 points. Great job here by the NSU CIDG. Also, Tarat for 3. Nothing there. Great rebound here by the Greyhounds. Dito kay Bumatay. Lerno, Masinaring, pick up pass, drives, inside pass, Masinaring, and there's a foul. Grabe lakas ng kamay dito ni Masinaring, mahirap kuhanan ng bola. But it was foul there. That is 2 free throws for Mr. Fernan Masinaring.
His first personal foul, 14 fouls for NSC Lupinos for Fernan Masinani.
First free throw is no good for Mr. Masinari. Struggle dito ang Greyhounds kaya ng free throw shooting. Medyo marami sila nanigis dito sa loob ng first quarter. 4 minutes and 21 seconds still remaining sa ating first quarter. So another miss on Mr. Masinari. Medyo 0 out of 6 sila dito sa free throw line. So lamang pa rin dito ang LSU CIDG. Hosol. This mas steady point guard ng CIDG since last year. Oh, and there's a foul. This time it's Bumatay scored for a foul. Itong Hosol Bruno tandem. Mag-ingat dito ang Greyhounds. Medyo napaka-effective dito last season. Sub out po niya. Jersey number 11. Tarat. Okay, Hosol. Balik kay Tarat. Bruno. Drives. Push shot. No good. Bruno still gets offensive board and he score! Nakuha na niya ng rebound si Banyares. Insao. Delmorito. Balik kay Delmorito. Loses the ball. Tarat gets a steal. Great defense by the NSU. CIDG. Tarat. Hindi po kay Hosol. Nangyari si Bruno. Bigyan Romanillos for 3. Short. And ball goes to BJMP Greyhounds. Demorito for 3. Short again for BJMP. Medyo yung outside shooting dito. Maalat for both teams, ha? Except kay Tarat kanina. Nakapuslo ng first 3-pointer. Now, bigyan ni Demorito. Shot up, jumper, pasok yan! Great answer there for finally a field goal for BJMP Greyhounds. Hosol setting up the play here for LSU CIDG. Bruno Tarat, inside pass, almost to the ball. Great defense by the Greyhounds. Tarat, Bruno. Extra pass, Romanillos, back to Bruno! Pasok yan! For Mr. Bruno! And that's the 6th point in the quarter. And time was being... shot clock na pala yun. So, 2 minutes remaining sa ating first quarter with 16-12 is the score. Lamang dito ang LSU CIDG. Now, shoots for 3. Another miss na naman sa labas. For BJMP Greyhounds, medyo yung outside shooting itong Greyhounds. Ito yung parang yung bread and butter nila last season along with the inside press sa Masinari, but this time medyo maalat sila dito. Tarat, what a fake! Extra pass, Romanillos jumper, and it's good! And another timeout is called here now for the BJMP Greyhounds. And lamang dito ang LSU CIDG 18-12. Magbabalik tayo. And we're back now to our ball game with 39.8 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter, with NSU CIDG leading by 8 points, 20-12. And Libre is blocked by Bruno. And medyo sorry po sa wala kami isang sandali dito sa technicalities, but balik na po kami dito sa ating live only here at the Madiao Sports Davao. Romanillos jumper, short there. 16.3 seconds remaining. Demorito, bigyan dito ng Insaw. 12 seconds. 8 seconds. 6 seconds. Mamon for 3. Bang! Big shot by Mamon! And that ends our first quarter with a score of 20-15, leading LSU CIDG over the DJMP Greyhounds. Babalik tayo para sa ating second quarter. And we're back here now for our start of our second quarter for our EFP Basketball Cup 2026 for our first game sa NSU CIDG versus the DJFP Greyhounds. So shout out kay Mark Luther Castañeda Magno from King Cabanyo. Shout out sa mga King. And also shout out kay Wilson Francisco who is watching this ball game. So daghang salamat, and please like and share po sa ating Facebook page ang Madiao Sports Davao. And this league is not possible without the support of our City Mayor's Office. Basta Dabaoenyo, DC Trinado. And another attempt there by Libre is missed again for the BJMP Colina. Jumper. Short there. Malit na ito si Bumatay. Bumatay dire-diretso kick out pass. Three-pointer. No good. Palomares is called for out of taps it out. Saka bumayit na si Palomares. Medyo aga yung pahinga ni Palomares. Two early fouls from the first quarter. And reverse yet yung Matay. No good. What a fake, and he scores! Palomares is asking for a travel there. Lina. Tapia. Guarded by Demorito. Tapia. What a crossover. Got a pass. Floater. It's good. Jersey number 15. It's Mr. Martin. Great setup there by Mr. Tapia. Umatay. Asking here for Mr. Libre. Umatay. He got pass. Libre, ito na, masinaling. At the 4 people na naiwanan, walang bantay. That's an easy basket for Fernan Masinaling. Tapia. It's Demorito. Man-to-man defense applied here with the DJMP. No fouls called. Great steal here. Masinaling, what a pass to Bumatay! And he scores! Medyo masyado na parami ang dribble doon. Ito ni Tapia. Palomares. Loses the ball. Ball pass to Demorito. Demorito, no good! Masinaling gets the offensive board. Masinaling. Extra pass. Loses the ball. Sabor. Second pass. Palomares! Finally! A basket by Rob Palomares. The score is 24-21. Lamang pa rin dito ang LSU CIDG. Matay. Libre. Demorito. Corner pass. 3-pointer. Nothing there for The Greyhounds still the outside shooting. Napakaalat for BGMP. Maganda kanilang setup plays but they just can't make their outside shooting. So, another early time out here for the LSU CIDG. So magbabalik tayo after a short break.
Substitution for BJMP. Holding foul on jersey number 9, the second personal foul, Jay Molina.
And we're back now to our ball game, and again we have another technical difficulties already, but we're back now. So lamang tabla tayo at 26 all. Greyhounds make a run here courtesy of Fernan Masinading, and there's a traveling call here for Nais. Is asking for a foul there. Walang binigay ng referees. And again, maraming salamat po sa nanonood sa ating Facebook page sa Madiao Sports Davao. And this is for the AFP PNP Invitational Basketball Cup 2026. This is our first game for our tournament between the LSU CIDG versus the BGMP Greyhounds. Reporter by Tapia, no good. Tapia, diretso, challenging the defense of the BGMP big man. Ito na, nangunguna si Arnaiz! Touchdown! And eto na. Ito yata ang yung game plan dito ngayon ng Greyhounds. If ever they get the rebounds, tumatakbo na kaagad sa kabilang court. Isa o dalawang players ng BGMP. Ito, Palomares jumper. And that's good. And that's his money shot. Itong si Rob Palomares. His mid-range jumpers. Automatic yan for Mr. Rob Palomares.
His first foul, 14 foul for NSU. 2 free throws for D. Nabete.
Alright, so 2 minutes and 14 seconds remaining sa ating first half. And ito, dikit ang ating ball game at a basket there by the NSU CIDG. And ito na, tumatakbo na naman dito ang LSU. The reason na bakit dikit tayo is that NSU is making their mid-range jumpers at saka yung mga pass break nila, and ito naman BGMP, maganda yung pasahan nila. They were able to set up their plays but they just can't make the basket. Another miss na naman sa 3-pointer. Bago lang itong BGMP Region 11, which is that's usually their bread and butter, itong BGMP. Ito na, Suralta will shoot 2 free throws. And that's good for his first free throw. Ito si Suralta with 2 minutes remaining sa ating first half. And shout out again sa ating manonood sa ating Facebook page. Please like and share po ang ating Madiao Sports Davao. And shoutouts pala sa ating major sponsor, ang ating City Mayor's Office, the City Government of Davao City. Basta Davaoenyo disiplinado. Arnaiz, and he scores!
That's getting down for John Arnaiz.
So Bats Bad backs out there for NSU. They can't allow these big mans of the BGMP to crush the boards, especially na wala si Fernan Masinabing sa loob ng court ngayon. So great hustle there by John Arnaiz. Tabla tayo at 36 all. So Isden is back now for the Greyhounds along with Largo. At itong si Bumatay, kasabay si Mr. Libre at si Arnaiz. For the NSU, we have Tapia, Suralta, Mano, Nabor, and Driz. And ito, Largo, pickups a steal, and there's an N1 by Mr. Largo. Iniinda yung foul na binigay ni Mr. Nabor. What a shot by Mr. Largo.
His first personal foul. Bonus free throw for Kurt Largo.
Tapia, guarded by Esden. Tapia, wala crossover move but loses the ball. Tapia, Esden, extra pass to Arnaiz for 2. Medyo marami-rami nang na-score dito si Mr. Arnaiz. He's the main man in scoring here for the BGMP in this ball game, and almost another turnover for the NSU. Bruno, diretso, great defense by Arnaiz. And there's a foul on Mr. Libre. And that means free throws here for Mr. Suralta. Ito na, isang iglap. Lamang na dito ang BGMP. 5 points. The defense is really there for the Greyhounds. It's just that their field goal shooting and their outside shooting is not falling for the BGMP. Kaya lamang lang sila dito ng 5 points. Suralta, while left sa kanyang free throw. And another miss. The free throw. And ball stays now for the BGMP Greyhounds.
14 seconds to shoot 14.
Colina, guarded closely by Libre. Double team. Almost a steal. Nabor shoots for 3. Overshoots. Great rebound by Tapia, and he scores! Nakawala siya sa depensa ni Mr. Esden, and that means free throws here. A bonus free throw here for Mr. Tapia.
His first personal foul. Bonus free throw for Eric Tapia.
And that's a 3-point play here for the NSU CIDG, and the score is 39-41. 2-point lead here for the Greyhounds. Libre, extra pass to Arnaiz. Great defense by Colina, stopping that cut of Arnaiz. Loses the ball. Bruno gets the ball. Forward pass. Tapia touchdown! And tabla ulit tayo dito at 41-all with 10.2 seconds remaining in the first half. So BGMP calls for time and babalik tayo after a short break. So with 10.2 seconds remaining. Largo will inbound the ball. Forward pass dito kay Libre. Libre gets the ball. Libre. Extra pass to Arnaiz. Reverse. No good pa rin for the BGMP. And ako po. Mutikan pa natawagan ng foul dito. Si Mr. Arnaiz. But 3.5 seconds remaining with BGMP. Has the basketball. And there's substitution here. Tagat. Papalitan muna dito ni Mr. Colina for defense purpose. Bumatay. Will inbound the ball. Dito kay Largo. 3 seconds. Largo nakawala. And he scores! And that ends our first half with a score of 43-41. BGMP Greyhounds leading over the NSU CIDG. So magbabalik tayo after a short break para sa ating second half. So stay tuned. And we're back now to our ball game. We'll start our second half for our first game for our AFP PNP Invitational Basketball Cup 2026 in partnership with the City Mayor's Office. In this game is NSU CIDG versus the BJMP Region 11 Greyhounds. And BJMP leading here by 2 points, 43-41. Tapia. Crossover, shoots for 3. No good. And bola ay pupunta sa BJMP Region 11. Esden. Win bar ball. Bigay ito kay Mr. Bumatay. Forward pass kay Villamor. Villamor, stop up 3. Bang! And 1 for Mr. Villamor. Eto na. Kung gaano kaalat yung 3-point shooting nila nung first half. Eto, magandang senyales to for the BJMP. So Villamor will shoot the free throw. No good. But he gets his own miss. Loose ball. Esden gets the ball. Bumatay will set up the play here for the Greyhounds. Ito kay Esden. Inside pass to Arnaiz. And naubusan sila ng oras. And that's a 14-second shot clock violation here for the BJMP. So balik ang bola sa CIDG dito. Tapia. Gagik Palumares. Great pass there. Romanillos. Extra pass to Tagat for 2. Great counter play here by NSU CIDG. And another counter pass here. Esden loses the ball. Quali Largo. Against Romanillos. Largo drives. Largo scores! Over Tagat. Romanillos. Dito kita Tapia. And it's a loose ball. Ball stays with NSU CIDG. He's a instant replay here. Largo drives over the defense of Tagat for the easy 2. And there's a loose ball foul. And it was on Mr. Esden.
Holding foul, jersey number 45, early 10. That's his second personal foul. First foul for BJMP. 16 seconds to shoot. 6
Palomares against Arnaiz. Great matchup. Palomares loses the ball. And a foul given up here by Romanillos. But, naku po, unsportsmanlike ang tinawag dito ng referees. Natin sa instant replay. Asili by Arnaiz. Ngayon, hinawakan ni Romanillos ito si Arnaiz. And that means 2 free throws plus ball possession here for the BJMP Greyhounds.
Technical free throw for John Arnaiz.
And that's good for Arnaiz. He's also the leading scorer here for the BJMP in this ball game. Itong si John Arnaiz. And 2 for 2 for John Arnaiz from the free throw line. Medyo kumanda lang shooting dito ng BJMP. Esden will lima the ball. Bigyan kita kay Bumatay. Villamor, balik kay Bumatay. Largo. Spins. Largo shoots. Missed the shot. Rebound by Palomares. Bigyan kay Romanillos. Saka wala naman dito. At naku, masyadong po diretso sa out yung bola. And bola ay pupunta balik sa BJMP Greyhounds. Bumatay will set up the play here for the BJMP. Villamor. Bumatay. Arnaiz. Kick out pass to Villamor. Drives. Kick out. Bumatay. Kicking 3. Bigay kay Esden. Fakes. Extra pass. Largo jumper. No good. Stays with the BJMP. So walang shot clock yun kasi tumama sa ring yung bola. 14 seconds to shoot here. Villamor, another 3-pointer. Pasok yan for Villamor. That's his second 3-pointer in this quarter. Ngayon lang yung pinasok si Villamor, ha? But dalawang threes kagad ang pinasok ni Villamor. Palomares, and there's a foul on Mr. Bumatay. Here's the instant replay here. There's a 3-pointer, nothing but net kay Mr. Villamor.
Second team foul for BJMP. Substitution for NSUCIDG. 14 seconds to shoot for Dave.
14 seconds to shoot here for the NSU CIDG. Medyo nag-stuck na sila dito sa 43 points. Colina, almost a steal there. Oh, and a complete turnover. Great defense by BJMP. Ito na yung signature defense nila, yung hustle. Pressure defense ng BJMP. Kumakagat na dito. Kanina, madikit lang ito kasi yung field goal percentage ng BJMP is napakababa. But ito na, courtesy of this itong si Villamor, dalawang tres. And another setup na naman for Villamor. Naubutawan na ng bola. But ball stays with the and the calls got corrected and balik ang bola sa NSU CIDG. So dahil sa dalawang tres ni Villamor, dalawang free throws ni itong si Arnaiz, lalamang na dito ng 10 points itong BGMP Greyhounds. Suralta with 1 3-pointer kaninang first half dito kay Colina. Great defensive by Larco, and ito timama na naman sa paa dito si Colina, and another forced turnover here for BJP Greyhounds. And ito, NSU CIDG will call sa time. Magbabalik tayo after short break. So back to our ball game with 14 seconds to shoot here for the BJMP Greyhounds. Villamor, Bumatay, Esden, Nicky Villamor. 2-3 zone apply here by NSU CIDG. Bumatay fakes, drives, Bumatay, extra pass to Arnaiz, there's a block, and naputukan ng 14 second shot clock dito ang Greyhounds. Great defense there by CIDG. Muti ka na nakawala doon si Arnaiz, but buti na lang, block siya doon ni Mr. Palomares. He's been silent offensively. Ay naku, turnover dito for the CIDG. Villamor, another 3-pointer. BAM! 3 3-pointers all in this quarter for Mr. Villamor. Grabe, napaka shooter ng baang ng mamang to. And a great shot there by Colina, stopping the bleeding here for the NSU CIDG. Ito na, mukhang naka-hit check ito si Villamor dito. Villamor na naman! Another 3-pointer for Mr. Villamor! That's his fourth 3-pointers in this ball game. And those 3-pointers all in this quarter. Colina drives, Colina scores! Ito, kailangan na ito i-track dito si Villamor. Naka-hit check na ito. Is then Bumatay. Bigyan naman Villamor. Set up a skill. Villamor. Bang! 3 straight 3-pointers for Mr. Villamor. 5 3-pointers in this quarter. He's on fire, mga kaibigan. Suralta, jumper, and great answer there by CIDG. 13-point lead here for the Greyhounds. Ako, mukhang makakamaruma tayo ng 6 na 3-pointers in this quarter. And there's a steal there, and there's a foul on Mr. Esden. Grabing kamay ito si Mr. Villamor. What a setup play there by the BGMP Greyhounds. Ganda ng shooting form itong ni Mr. Villamor. Na balik tayo sa ating ballgame. Colina, guarded by Libre. Colina drives. Colina scores! So he's carrying this team now on his back. Ito si Mr. Colina. And another Villamor set up 3. Fakes. Extra pass. Nothing there. Keep run by Colina. Ito na, diretso to si Colina. Nabor. Pass to kay Hosol. Colina against Libre. Colina drives. Colina shorts. Bruno against the ball. Nakuha ni Nabor. Nabor loses the ball. Bumatay against the ball here for the BGMP. Bumatay. Hintay na kakampi. Great patience there by Bumatay. Villamor thinking 3. Kaya dito kay Libre. Extra pass to Demorito for 2. Great cut there by Demorito and great pass by Libre. So Colina against Libre. Colina, and there's a foul. What a sequence, mga kaibigan. What a pass there by Libre to Mr. Demorito. BGMP nagising na in this third quarter. Kung gaano kaalat ang kanilang field goal shooting nung first half, parang gripo ngayon ang field goal percentage dito ng ating BGMP, courtesy of Mr. Villamor. 5 3-pointers in this quarter alone. Meron pa tayong 6 minutes 6 minutes pa lang ang nakalipas. We have 3 minutes and 50 seconds remaining still sa ating third quarter. And almost a great pass there, but nahabol doon ni Nabor. So Nabor is gonna be subbed out here. Roman Ilias is back in along with Driz. And along with itong si Mr. Tagat. So Villamor will inbound the ball. Demorito kay Bumatay, and another setup kay Villamor, and finally a miss here by Villamor, but offensive board for Libre. Demorito, extra pass to Libre, and there's a foul. Grabe yung play dito ng Greyhounds. Pass and cut, pass and cut. And there's a free throw made here by Mr. Libre. Ito, nililito nila dito ang NSU, especially defensively. And second free throw is good for Mr. Libre. So 14-point lead here for the Greyhounds. Tagat against Demorito. Hintay na kakampi dito si Mr. Tagat. Kick out pass. And a steal. Turnover here na naman for the NSU CIDG. Maraming forced turnovers ang kukuha dito ng Greyhounds. And technical is called here on the coach of the NSU CIDG. Medyo hindi nakugustuhan dito ng coach ng NSU ang mga tawag ng referees, but kudos sa defense dito ng Greyhounds, forcing a lot of turnovers dito sa NSU CIDG. Ito medyo nanlamig na din si William Moore, short sa kanyang technical free throw. So shoutouts pa sa mga nanonood sa ating Facebook page, sa ating Madayaw Sports Davao. Please like and share po para mas marami pa po makanood sa ating mga heroes ng ating bayan. Itong ating mga providing us safety. Ito mga officials ng ating mga kasunod daluhan. Ito, another 3-pointer naman for BGMP, and this time is Montinola. That's his second 3-pointer in this ball game. Bruno, what a pass to Dries. So great answer here for the NSU, but still they're down by 15 points. Montinola, Mumatay, bigyan ng screen ni Libre. Mumatay drives, and there's a foul. Dries is called for a foul. It's a replay here. Mumatay setting up dito si Montinola. So there are two 3-point shooters on the court here for the Greyhounds. The Montinola and De Morito. Great save there. Real sila sa basketball. Ricky Lanente, 3-pointer, no good. Libre gets the ball. And that's a turnover now. And NSU CIDG with the basketball with 2 minutes and 16 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Tagat. Ito kay Tapia. You set up the play here. Set pass to Dries. Fakes. Bigay kay Bruno. And there's a foul. Medyo missing sa scoring dito si Bruno in this third quarter. And ito na, nandito na si Mr. Fernan Masinaring, the main anchor of the defense for the BGMP Greyhounds. 69-54, 15-point lead here for the Greyhounds. And ito, mintis pa yung free throw ni Mr. Bruno. And 2 misses for CIDG. And ito na, balik ang bola sa BGMP. De Morito setting up the play here for the BGMP. Ito, a play here intended for Masinading, and there's a foul this time on Sherwin Dries. And they're ready in the penalty. Naku, free throws, 2 free throws here for Fernan Masinading.
2 free throws for Fernan Masinading.
And the first free throw is good for Fernan Masinading with 1 minute 46 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. And 2 for 2 for Fernan Masinading. 17-point lead na ang lamang dito ng BGMP. What an offensive onslaught ang naitala dito ng BGMP in this third quarter. They have 6 3-pointers in this quarter. 5 of them for Mr. Villamor and 1 for Mr. Montinola. Tapia. Wow! What a ankle breaker move, but block by Masinading! Tapia. Ganito kay balik Tapia for 3. No good. Loose ball. Nakuha ni Romanillos. Kick out pass. Dries for 3. Bang! And finally a 3-pointer here for the NSU CIDG. They're down by 14 points. De Morito drives. Jumper. No good. Loose ball. Tapia. Forward pass kay Romanillos. Dire-diretso. Romanillos for 2. A 5-point swing here for the NSU CIDG. And they're down by 12 points. 49 seconds remaining. Masinaring against Dries. Great matchup here. Asking for an isolation and nako, and he scored for a travel. Medyo napasobra yung spin doon ni Masinaring. And this is the instant replay here, a 3-pointer by Mr. Sherwin Dries. Dries fakes, Dries drives, loses the ball, no foul. Lanente drives, and a traveling is called on Mr. Lanente. So with 23.6 seconds remaining. So Corina is back in now for Dries. So 2-point lead here for BGMP. Tapia against De Morito. Inside presence here, and there's a foul. So that means 2 free throws on Mr. Colina. So it's Mamites called for a foul. So Colina is called for warning for second emotion. So medyo kainitan sila doon ni Mr. Mamites. So Colina will shoot 2 free throws. And short on the first free throw. Chance na dito para may baba sa at least sa single digit itong lamang ng Greyhounds. And the second free throw is good. So 11-point lead here for the BGMP. Masinaring almost all in the Tagat. Kick out pass. Montinola for 3. No good. And ball goes back to NSU CIDG. So 1.9 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. So can NSU CIDG make a shot here? Palomares shoots almost. And that ends our third quarter with a score of 60-71. BGMP leading by 11 points over the NSU CIDG. So mababalik tayo after a short break.
BJFP 11.
We're back na to our ball game with the start of our fourth and final quarter sa ating first game ng ating AFP TNP Invitational Basketball Cup 2026. And this is the game between the BJMP Greyhounds versus the NSU CIDG Region 11. So a first basket here for the fourth quarter belongs to the Greyhounds, courtesy of Largo jumper. Tapia challenging the defense of Largo and kuha ng Greyhounds sa bola, and that's a score here on Mr. Mamon. Great pass by Mr. Bumatay. The ball, forward pass to Colina. And there's no foul called on NSU. May isa ng foul but na tinawag ng referee, so play ball pa rin tayo. And that's a turnover. 15-point lead here for the BGMP Greyhounds. Umatay setting up the play here for the Greyhounds. Dito kay Largo against Tapia. Largo kick out pass, Bumatay for 3, no good. Rebound, Colina gets the ball and there's a foul, this time on Arnaiz. So
That's his third personal foul.
so that's third personal foul on John Arnaiz.
Warning on the bench of NSUCIDG.
So warning on the bench called here for the NSU-CIDG for improper bench decorum. So Rob Palomares now back in the ball game. He needs to step out here for the NSU. They're down by 15 points. Tapia nakawala. Kiki Colina and one.
For Jay Colina. Pushing foul, jersey number 14, Kurt Cosmo. His first personal foul, 15 foul for BJMP Demons.
So that's bonus free throw here for
Bonus free
Colina.
throw for Jay Colina.
And a miss here on the free throw. So it's the 13-point lead here for the BGMP. Largo got it close to here. Double team and that's a turnover for the Greyhounds. Great defense for the NSU-CIDG.
NSUCIDG.
Tapia has the ball. Guarded by Demorito. Colina, double team. And that's another foul called here. So medyo marami ng foul na kukuha dito si Colina. Forcing 3 fouls now ang BGMP, which is too early pa sa ating quarter. They have a chance here na makapapunta sa early penalty itong BGMP so that they can score without moving the clock. Tagat dito kay Palomares, fakes Palomares, and there's a foul na naman for the BGMP, and that means warning for penalty na dito ang Greyhounds. That's on Fernan Masinadi. Second personal foul on Fernan Masinadi. And that's a miss on Mr. Palomares. And second free throw is good for Mr. Palomares. And Masinadi wide open for the easy 2. 14-point lead here for the BGMP. Nabor. Dito kay Mr. Rob Palomares. Inside pass to Tagat. Naku, tumama sa ring. Masinading stolen by Nabor. Palomares. Pass dito kay Largo. Stolen. Largo dire-diretso. And one! That's the second time Largo fishing a foul on a fast break. Ito kay Mr. Nabor. Great upper body strength here shown here by itong si Largo. So Kurt Largo will shoot the bonus free throw. And a chance here to add more to their lead. And he makes the free throw. 3-point play for Mr. Largo. And balik sa 7 ang lamang dito ng BGMP. Demorito drives. Pass to Largo. No good. And another foul. This time is on Arnaez. And now they're ready in the penalty. So that means 2 free throws for Mr. Colina.
His fourth personal foul. Diane NSUCIDG. Playing time 7 minutes and 18 seconds. Fourth quarter.
So timeout's being called here for BGMP. So mababalik tayo after a short break. And we're back to our ball game. So the first free throw is no good for Colina. Ito medyo marami-rami na siyang namintis no si Colina. Chance pa naman nila dito na may babang kalamanga without moving the clock. And second free throw is good for Colina. So 16-point lead here for the Greyhounds. Arnaiz. Demorito, bigay kay Arnaiz. Inside pass to Masinading. Sinading, power move. Masinading scores! Ito, pinagpag lang ang depensa ni Bruno. Itong si Fernan Masinading, tagat. Ito kinabor. Behind the back pass. Tapia for 3. And nothing but net for Mr. Tapia. So 15-point lead here for the Greyhounds. Demorito. Guarded by Tagat. Balito kay Naes. Against Masinading naman. Against Bruno. Masinading. Shoots the ball. Short. And ito, nakawala si Colina. Dire-diretso. And that's a good for NSU CIDG. Third down lead is down to 13. Mamon. Against Nabor. Mamon, bigay dito kay Masinading. Extra pass to Demorito. And he scores! What a play there for Greyhounds. Medyo bread and butter na dito ang pass and cut. Colina is blocked by Masinading. Largo. Pass to Arnaiz. Loses the ball. And ball goes to NSU CIDG. It's the instant replay. Mamon, pass to Masinading to the cutting Demorito, and he scores. Mamon. Nabor, kay Bruno. Tayo kay Tapia. Tapia, stop up 3. Nothing there. Masinading with the board. Forward pass dito para kay Mamon. And nakuha ni Tapia ang bola. So turnover for the Greyhounds. Tapia. Intended pass sana kay Bruno but stolen by Demorito. Bigay dito kay Libre. Extra pass to Mamon for 2. And Time out been called in for LSU CIDG. Magbabalik tayo after short break. So back to our ball game. So CIDG has the basketball. Suralta loses the ball. And balik ang bola sa Greyhounds. So libre. Trying to seal itong si jersey number 11, but he was called for a foul. So the ball stays with the BJMP with 4 minutes and 58 seconds remaining. Anilo for 2. So it's Amolo scores for the NSU CIDG and Largo diretso inilagan yung depensa ng NSU CIDG for the basket. Suralta behind the back, kick out pass for Romanilias pero masyadong malayo yung pasa. So BJMP 11 will keep the basketball. Demorito guarded closely here. Bigyan ng screen, libre nakawala and there's a foul. And this time it's jersey number 17. He's called for a foul. Salibay. So 2 free throws for Mr. Demorito. That's a miss here for Demorito. So it's now an 18-point lead here for the BJMP Greyhounds. So sa mga nanonood po sa atin ngayon, kung kanila malayo lamang dito. Naku po, yung first half 2 points na po ang lamang ng BJMP. Nagtapos tayo ng first half. At nung third quarter, BJMP erupted with 6 3-pointers. 5 of them came from Mr. Villamor and 1 from Mr. Montinola. So yun, kaya lumamang sila doon ng more than 10 points itong BJMP, and the rest is history. So it's the instant replay here of the steal by Largo dito kay Demorito. So Sherwin Dries will shoot 2 free throws here. And that's a miss on Mr. Dries. So 1 out of 2 for Mr. Sherwin Dries. Mamites. Ito kay Demorito. Gonna screen here. Demorito, nakawala, and easy 2 for Mr. Demorito. So 21-point lead na here for the BGMP. Jumper, short there, but ball stays with the NSU CIDG.
For DJMP, walking it down for
Romalilios, jumper, short, rebound by Mamites. Gancho, Isden. Nakawala si Isden, jumper, and he score! Salibay. Started by Insao. It's okay with Sherwin Driz, who made 1 3-pointer in this ball game. Driz overshoots. Libre with the basketball. With 2 minutes 50 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. Mamites, wide open for 3. Wide right. Libre, gets offensive board, libre, and there's a foul. So that means 2 free throws on Mr. Libre. Isa Libre here with the Esden jumper for the easy 2.
Seconds to shoot. 14.
Insao drives, kick out pass. Mamites for 3. Still nothing for Mamites outside. So nanguna dito. Floater, still nothing for NSU CIDG. Insao has the basketball. 2 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Gancho. Insao.
2 minutes.
Mamites. Gancho. Extra pass to Mamites and a loose ball, and there's balik ang bola sa CIDG NSU. So coming up next po, ang ating next game is the Maritime Police versus the Bureau of Fire Protection, the defending champions, the back-to-back champions of the AFP PNP Invitational Basketball Cup. The Bureau of Fire Protection is in action up against the Maritime Police Unit. Yan, so coming up next po yan mga kaibigan. Salibay drive, Salibay, and still nothing for CIDG. So with 1 minute and 23 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. So it's been a dominating ball game here for the BGMP, especially in the second half. Lalo na yung third quarter.
Technical foul on BGMP 11.
So there's a technical foul is called on BGMP. So that means free throw here for Mr. Nabor. So it means 2 free throws for Mr. Salibay. Okay, Salibay banks it in the first free throw. Insao. Manyares. Balik kay Insao. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. Ito kay Montinola. Pasok pupunta na dito kay... So and an offensive foul is called on Montinola for an illegal screen.
His first personal foul. 1 minute.
Salibay. A 3-pointer here for for CIDG. Nothing there. Banyares with the board. Stolen by Tagat. Tagat. 3-pointer. Still nothing for CIDG. Mamites forward pass dito kay Montinola. And there's a foul on Mr. Itong si Tapia. So that means 2 free throws on Mr. Montirola.
Eric Tapia. First personal foul. 2 free throws for Juan Monterola.
So first free throw is good with 37.8 seconds remaining sa ating first game. So what a game po mga kaibigan. Dikit na dikit po ito nung first half, but second half it was all BJMP. It was on that third quarter. They shot 6 3-pointers. 5 of them for courtesy of one man. Itong si Villamor. And a miss there for Nabor. And 20 seconds remaining, and I think that may do it. And a steal here. And 2 seconds remaining. So that ends our ball game with the score of 98 to 74, 24-point lead by the BGMP Region 11 over the NSU CIDG Region 11. So that's a wrap up of our first game. So we'll be back on our second game later. It's gonna be our defending champions, the BFP, the Bureau of Fire Protection, up against the RMU Region 11. So Regional Maritime Unit, ang Maritime Police ng ating Region 11 versus the Bureau of Fire Protection. So see you next game. So we'll be right back.